Hi Mamira Rose, good morning. Una sa tanan, let me introduce myself first. So, my name is Lendon Sicasido and I am your students of CPAR and I am Group 12 reporter. So, in this morning, I will report or discuss one of the famous contemporary artists here in the Philippines. So, let's start! So, first nga akong i-discuss is ang iyahang profile and background. So, Ani Kabigtig. Anika Vigting is a Filipino-Asian modern and contemporary painter. She was born in 1971 in Makati City, Philippines. Then she studied of University of the Philippines with a major in painting in 1994. Then she lives and works in Quezon City, Philippines. Small background. It could be said that the art of Anika Bigting has always involved painting people's artworks. She has throughout her career made convincing versions of paintings by Jackson Pollock, Mark Rothko, Chuck Close, and even her Filipino college, Louis Cordero, Migrostic, 2011. Kabigting brings an oblique slant to the artwork world's ongoing antiphon by treating iconic pieces as items that have become part of our visual and mental landscape. They have become an inevitable part of our mycene in the locations she has chosen to paint, museums and galleries. Kasagaran sa mga paintings dahil ni Anika Bigting is involved with other people's artworks then Then she has, throughout her career, made convincing versions of paintings by Jackson Pollock, Mark Rothko, Chuck Close, and even her Filipino college, Louis Cordero, Migrostic 2011. Next is one. So si Anika Bigting in 2005 she won the Ateneo Art Awards. She has exhibited in various solo and group shows in the Philippines and abroad, one of which included the Prague Biennale in Czech Republic. In 2021, she was named one of the three most prominent artists in the region according to Leon Galleries and the Kingly Treasures auction. In 2022, Kabigting had a solo exhibition in storage of Finale Art file. She also showcased her work at Pratig Biennale. Over the years, she has participated in numerous solo and group shows including in Asia and Europe. So, mao ni ang mga award ni Ani Kabigting sa 2005, 2021 and 2022. Next is contribution. Ani Kabigting contribution. So, in her work, Filipino artist Ani Kabigting investigates the concept of appropriation. The artist explores the artwork's inherent character through meticulous research and vast knowledge of art history. Inspired by the work of renowned artists such as Wyvis Klent and Mark Rothko, to name a few, she cleverly subverts them into a unique experience. Thanks to the artist's immaculate painterly technique, she avoids the original form of the works and instead elevates their potential. Kabigting changes the artwork's location by making part of the muse- the museum the museum of the galleries, auction houses and museums. Ang mga works of renowned artists such as Wyvis Klein and Mark Rothko, ang ilahang mga paintings iyahang gi-combined and iyahang gihatagan og unique style and unique techniques and iyang gihatagan og very meaningful ang mga paintings sa 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 una. Next is the her style and techniques. Styles and techniques. So, expressionism. Kabigting's arts often reflect strong emotions and personal experience. She uses bold colors, distorted forms, and dynamic brush strokes to convey these feelings. So sa expressionism, nagreflect siya og strong emotions and personal experience. Then ang materials nga iyang gigamit para ma-display nga makita nga strong emotion and personal experiences, nigamit she uses bold colors, distorted forms, and dynamic brush strokes to convey this feeling. Next is figurative art. Her paintings frequently feature human figures, often depicted in every scenes or engaging in symbolic actions. These figures are often stylized and exaggerated, adding to the emotional impact of the work. So gitawag siya og figurative art because ang iyang mga paintings is engaging in symbolic actions. Then abstract expressionism. Kabigding's work sometimes lends towards abstraction using simplified forms and gestural brushwork to evoke emotions and ideas rather than represent specific objects. So ang iyahang munang gitawag og abstract expressionism ang iyahang mga paintings because wala naay uban nga paintings niya nga dili wala ga represents og specific objects. Lisod murag nay paintings niya nga lisod lisod sabton ayang paintings because la, they are deeply meaning. Then next is mixed media. She often incorporates various materials into her paintings such as fabric, paper, and found objects. This adds texture and depth to her work, further enhancing the visual and emotional experience. So si Annie Kabigting is gagamit siya og materials into her paintings such as fabric, paper, and found objects para ma-enhance muna yung gigamit to enhance the visual and emotional experience. The next is the social commentary. Kabigting's art often addresses social issues and concerns, particularly those related to poverty, inequality, and the human condition. She uses her art as platform to raise awareness and spark dialogue. So, social commentary ang iyahang ang usa nga sa social commentary ang iyang work because kasagaran sa iyang mga paintings is nagrepresent pod sa poverty, inequality, and human condition. Her notable artworks. So mao ni ang iyahang notable artworks de. Title sa iyang painting is Among the Lost of People 2015. So So, turning iconic artworks into elements of our visual and intellectual landscape, Kabigding treats these paintings as part of the mise-en-scene of the museums, galleries, or action houses she depicts. Her investigations on the viewing and presentation of art are connected to institutional critique, which assists the ideologies regarding the presentation of art in museums, and the work of artist Louis Lawler. So, kani nga picture is ang the original ani is si Juan de I. Louis Lawler. Then, Kabigtings depicts the range of activities from viewing, discussing, presenting, or trading and dismantles the meanings we attribute. Her meta work Amongst the Lost People 2015 depicts a woman in a folded arm position viewing a painting, capturing with realistic detail both the painting and the woman perceiving it. The next is painter painting painted after Francis Bacon. So, Anika Big Things, Something to Do with Art exhibition features a series of replicated artworks that have been damaged or altered. Kabigting's work focuses on restoring these fragmented pieces, highlighting the meaningfulness of art in every objects. One piece replicates a Francis Bacon self-portrait, where Bacon cut out his own face. By replicating the artwork, Kabigting removes its novelty and shocking appeal and creating a new perspective on the original piece. Ani Kabigting's work bridges the gap between art and its audience, challenging traditional perspectives and offering a fresh, witty interpretation of art. Her work, inspired by Francis Bacon's bold and often disturbing imagery, disrupts the familiar and invites viewers to see art in a new light. Kabigting's subtitle approach, combined with her combined with her use of everyday objects, creates a unique and thought-provoking experience for the viewers. So, muna yang ikaduha nga kuan. That's all, ma'am. Thank you and good morning.